Hey guys, welcome back to Millie and Holly.
And today we're going to be doing a butter slime and a cloud slime tutorial, I guess it is.
Yeah, so we hope you enjoy it, and if you do, please like, comment some video suggestions and subscribe. Let's get started.
So for butter slime you are going to need some glue, some borax, clay, paint if you want to use it.
That is optional.
Yeah. A bowl and...
Okay, so for cloud slime you will need a bowl, a mixing utensil, borax, white glue, and then you will need some fake snow, and then you need to add this into water, but I will show you how to do that when we are making it. So yeah.
First we are going to be adding glue into the bowl.
And it's optional how much you add, it's how big you really want it.
So I'm just going to stop there.
Yeah. And we might add more after this, it depends how much
slime
you want. Want to add a bit more?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're just adding a bit more glue. And then next we're going to add paint, which is actually optional.
So I think I might add a little.
So next we are going to be adding some paint. So I think
that's optional. I'm going to be adding this paint here.
Yeah. It is actually metallic, but it won't turn it metallic as we are using white glue. So I think I'm just going to make mine a pretty green. So we're just going to mix our paint in.
I'm probably not going to make this any darker because
yeah, as Holly
I'm adding the clay anyway, so
yeah. So mine turned out like a grass green.
Mine turned this really nice pink.
After this we are going to be adding our borax and activating the slime. So yeah, now we're just going to add our borax.
Slowly.
You don't have to add loads at first, you can add a small amount, it doesn't matter how much you add. And then you're just going to keep adding the borax until it's the consistency you want it. So we're just going to keep mixing in our borax, and then when it's properly activated, we will come back to you. Okay, so this is the final result of our slimes. So this is it without adding the clay or the instant snow.
They've actually turned out a little bit jiggly.
Yeah. So now we are going to add our ingredients, and I'm going to show you how to make the instant snow. You're going to want to get your instant snow and then just pour a bit in, because this expands 100 times how much you put in, so I don't recommend adding loads. So I'll probably add around that much, and then you've got to add some water to it, and I will show you me doing that. You're going to want to add some water to the snow, and you don't want to add loads of water. So then you're just going to want to shake it up a bit until it starts to clump up a bit more, so it's not powder.
Only on Deliveroo. Eat more amazing. On a Virgin train, it's always business time.
So it's kind of up to you when you feel like the snow is like the right consistency. But I like mine to be a bit clumpy. So yeah, I'm just going to add this to the slime.
Okay, so I've opened my clay and now I'm just going to add it in. It's actually quite stretchy by itself, to be honest. Should I just add it all in at once?
Yeah. And we're going to scent our slimes as well when we're done.
Yeah.
So Holly wanted to get us like a pink, so like it will turn like a strawberry colour.
Red.
Yeah, because you want to scent it strawberry, don't you?
Yeah.
So Holly is scenting hers strawberry.
But right now I'm just mixing it in the clay, as you can probably tell.
Ooh, it's going to really nice red. I've never used red clay before. Have you? Wow, that looks creamy.
it's just getting a little bit sticky, so I might have to add a bit more borax to it.
Yeah. So while Holly is fixing her slime, we're going to add some instant snow to my slime. So you're just going to I'm just going to add a little by little in. And if you don't think you have enough instant snow, or you have too much instant snow, then add more. Or add more water to your slime if you feel like you added too much instant snow. So I just added quite a lot in. And obviously if you do need more, you can add more.
It's all stuck to my hands.
So I think I may need more because there's only a bit of instant snow left. But we'll just see how it goes when I add the rest of it.
I really like how this colour's turned out.
Yeah. Mine's really pretty. I made a slime before called Apple Sorbet and it was a curd slime.
It's like
So, all I'm going to do is I'm going to make a bit more instant snow, as it is turning into cloud slime, but it's not exactly cloud slime just yet. So I'm just going to go and get some more instant snow and then we'll make some more instant snow. So I'm just going to pour that in. Wow, your butter slime is amazing.
it feels so good. And at the end we'll probably like swap slimes.
Yeah, we'll swap slimes and we'll also do some ASMR for you.
That looks so good.
Mine's like really, really soft, but it's a bit sticky at the same time because when you add the instant snow, it makes it a bit sticky. So it's okay if you actually over-activate the slime before you add the snow, because the snow will just make it stickier anyway, because it hasn't really like got used to the slime, if you get me. And it depends how cloudy you want yours. Like you can add loads of instant snow if you want it to be more cloudy. I'd say mine's like a cloud slime. So we're just gonna make our slimes better, and if we need to add more activator, then we will do so, and I add a bit more instant
You'll
snow.
probably see me doing it because like,
Yeah.
mine's gone super sticky.
So we're just going to activate our slimes and then we'll come back.
I've literally just kept on adding more borax and they've gone really nice now. We did do it for quite a while really, but
Yeah, but they're all sorted now.
it probably will take a while if you make big slimes like these, but if you just make a little one, it probably won't take that long.
So now we're going to add some scent to our slime. So we have either strawberry marshmallow or candy floss.
So I'm obviously going to set mine strawberries because
I think I might set mine strawberries because I want to put mine like strawberry leaves or something. Holly gave me that idea.
I'm just going to...
So we're going to swap slimes in a bit.
Yeah.
And also we are doing another tutorial in another video.
So be
So
sure
we're
to
not-
check that out.
Yeah. It's always on time.
Can I have some please? No one can be fine.
Right, just added quite a lot. So I'm just going to smell mine and see how good it smells. Mine smells just like strawberries. Okay, so now I think we're going to swap slimes. And mine's still a bit sticky, but it's okay, I guess. So we're going to swap slimes and see what we think.
I can't really smell the strawberries in mine.
Did you have enough?
No.
Oh well. Oh well, you can have more later.
Yeah.
Right, so we're going to swap slimes now. And I recommend just poking on and stretching it.
I love my slime. It's so good.
Right, you ready?
It's a little bit spready.
You ready?
Yeah.
Your slime's more of like, I don't know, like squeezing. Holly's slime is really cool. Like the only thing I'd recommend is like maybe adding a bit more lotion to it because I feel like
Yeah.
it's a little bit hard. And she may add more clay, it depends.
Millie slime is really nice. Like I love it. It's like cloudy. It's a little bit sticky, but like it's really nice.
I might combine strawberry and apple sort of bit maybe.
Mm.
I can feel that piece of tissue paper in there. Okay, so
I might call mine like strawberry shortcake.
yeah. Okay, so thank you all so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please like, comment and subscribe. Also, we are going to be doing another slime tutorial now, and you'll have to watch that to see what slimes we do, so we're not showing you.
So thank you all so much for watching. So
Bye.
bye.